Memory is a way of holding on the things you love, the things you are, the things you never want to lose. Protect your memory by clipping Amazon. Because when you love something, you protect it. Let's see some of our photo restoration services. Damage photo restoration, black and white photo colorized, removing object, old family photograph restoration, ripped and torn photo repair, water damage restoration. Take any photo restoration services as per you need and keep your memories forever glowing. Visit us www.clippingamazon.com.